Hey guys, welcome back to Duffey Woodcraft. I'm Alex, and today I'm showing you how to maintain your Nextwave Shark HD520. It's been a couple weeks since I cleaned it, so it's about time to go through, add some grease, and clean it all up. So I want to show you how easy it is. Nextwave suggests that you clean your machine every 8 to 12 hours of machine use. I probably push that a little bit farther, but that's just me. First, I'm removing the dust boot and the spindle so that I can get to the machine as easy. And then I'm blowing off it with air. This gets rid of all the dust particles and all the chips and everything that are in the rails. I'll use a soft cloth to wipe off the rails with any extra grease or grime that's there. I'm going to open up this bottom compartment so I can use my air to blow out any chips that may be trapped in this section. Without taking the full arm off, that you can't remove this completely, which is a little difficult, but it does work as long as you have a high compressed air to blow out all the chips. Next, I'm loading the grease into the grease gun. This is just a Harbor Freight grease gun. The grease kit and the 6mm nozzle I got from Nextwave. I'll put a link in the description. 2 to 3 pumps of the grease into the bearings is all you need. You'll need to grease both the Z and the Y axis. Next, I'm going to go ahead and spray down all the rails and the screw rods with this Teflon silicone spray. A light coat on everything is all you need, and then just move the X and Y and Z axes back and forth to evenly distribute the grease everywhere. And then finally, close up the bottom rail, reconnect the spindle and the dust boot, and you're ready to go. And that's it. It's super simple to maintain your Nextwave HD520. If you like these videos, give me a like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about this process, the machine, or anything like that. I have new product videos that come out every other week. Thanks, guys.